Yo, good afternoon guys. No, good morning. It's still around 10:30 something. Yeah, I'm actually going to work and my duty today is 12 o'clock. But I give, you know, because I'll be finishing my duty at 10 or 9 o'clock. So I have no time to roam around. That is why we do it in the morning. I actually have my coffee with me here. I was thinking of just going to the cafe and buy a coffee, but it will cost me at least $4. I also wanted to have banana bread, so it will cost me at least $8 something. Yeah, that's why I decided to just make a coffee from the house, and yeah, I save $4. Do you? No one makes me feel the way you do. Look at the improvements they are doing here. As you can see, it's making it. They are making it more beautiful. Oh, and at the moment they have that fishing rod in there. So basically, what they do is they are digging the sand on that side, and they keep it in there, and then they take the sand and put it in the sacks. And then the sacks of sand, they put it on they layer it somewhere there. And you will notice that most of the people doing the construction are the locals. Yeah, mostly are the locals. Because if you come to Singapore, in the Middle East, you will notice that most of the people who are working in the construction are foreigner, not the locals. I don't know if it is the same in Europe or in America. Here, this is how they do it. So basically they are digging the soil, the sand from that side. They put it there and they transfer it to that what's that, container trailer. They put it in the sack and they layer the sacks in there. I'm now at work, and if you can see, yeah, it's burned from yesterday. Rafael accidentally touched the pan. Good afternoon guys. Yeah, beautiful day today. The wind is a little bit cold, but yeah, it's beautiful. Good morning guys. Yeah, the time now is 15 minutes before 8 o'clock. I'm now preparing my breakfast. Actually, I'm preparing for me and for Rafael. 2 pieces. No, 2 pieces for me. Yeah, that's for me. And 1 piece for Rafael. With this. Yeah, Rafael is still sleeping. Good morning guys, we are going to work now. Today I am giving a 2-hour allowance to get to work so that we can roam around the area. Yeah, my duty today is at 12 o'clock in the afternoon, midday, and then we'll finish at around 9 o'clock. It depends on how busy it is. Rafael was watching basketball when I left the house, and his duty today is the same like me, 12 o'clock. But I don't want to ride in his car because he usually leaves 30 minutes before the duty. I prefer to ride a bike because I prefer to roam around first. You notice that the sky is really blue. It is really sunny. Yeah, and look at these flowers. Jacaranda? I forgot the name. Yeah, but it's beautiful. Yeah, it is really sunny, but It is actually hot when you are here outside the sun, but when you are in the shaded area, it is cold. Actually, it is cold. The temperature is around 18 degrees something, less than 20. Yeah, and as usual, for me to be able to save at least $3 instead of buying coffee from the shop, I have this coffee with me here. You know, this coffee thermos is really good. The temperature, I mean the hotness, stays up to maybe 5 hours. Good morning. Hi. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, today I am day off. In case you don't know, here in Australia, full-time workers or full-time employees, we have 2 days off here. It doesn't matter where are you working. Yeah, it doesn't matter if you are a service crew, a waiter, a janitor, a manager. As long as you are full-time, you will get 2 days off here in Australia. Because you know, there are countries that people work 6 days in a week. Yeah, like the Philippines, the Middle East, people work usually 6 times a week. Particularly those people who are working in the hospitality industry, in the customer service. That is basically 38 hours of work if you are full-time. So basically a full-time employee works 38 hours every week. Yeah, because you know the salary here is also every week. Maybe some get their salary every fortnight. And you know, the students, people who have student visa, they are only allowed to work up to 40 hours a fortnight. Anyway, today is really good. There's no clouds, I mean there's no smoke. Yeah, the wind is going to other direction. That's why the smoke coming from the bushfire from the other areas of New South Wales are not coming here in Nelson Bay, here in Port Stephen. But look at that. If you look around on that area, you're going to notice that there are many smokes on that side. Yeah, the bushfire is still going on. There is still a strong warning for the safety of everyone. Look at that pelican. Very smooth. He's flying very smooth, like he's watching the environment. He's almost like a drone, you know. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I was there like 2 days ago. I was doing my Tagalog, the Filipino vlog, and a couple recognized me. I noticed them that they stopped on that side and they are looking on their phone, and later on they approached me and said, oh, they know me. Yeah, they show me my YouTube channel, Abrodero, and then we had a conversation, we had a chat. So basically they are living now here in Australia for 2 years now, and they said that when they are in Korea, because they are working in Korea before, they said that they are watching my YouTube channel before. I was still shy to communicate with the people, you know, especially when it's something like that. Yo, I got a new friend here. They are Sam. What's your name?
Amanda.
Amanda.
Australia is nice. Yeah, we live in North Sydney. We live actually in Sydney for the last 2 years. It's so nice. As you're showing them, it's so peaceful, relaxing.
Yeah,
nice place to live.
You just drive to come here? Or
oh yeah, we stayed one night just near the hotel, and now we just walking around. Yeah, morning walk, and then we go back to Sydney.
Oh, look at that! There are many travelers this time in here. They are traveling with their cars. Nice. I've noticed that. Yeah, their cars have like a bed inside their car, their van. That's good. I want to do that in the future if I have my driver. Okay, we're going to go through this bushland. Sorry. Good morning. Thank you. Yeah, the guy has a big dog and it is loose, so he come back to guide the dog. Yeah, and I'm safe. That's basically a shortcut. and now we are here. We are now here in Shoal Bay. This is how it is today. There is a kayak for rent. I did kayak before with Inigo, but I lost the footage. Yeah, we want to do it again, but we don't have time because Inigo's house have kayak. It's a Chef Matt kayak. Chef Matt has 2 kayak, one from his father and one for him. And Chef Matt let us use the kayak. Nice, it's always good to see bees enjoying the flower. The coffee shop there, they are really busy. I waited for 15 minutes. A lot of people are waiting, but you know, very patient. Yeah, no one is angry, or you know, everyone is saying thank you, no worries. It's fun. Oh, look at this. The Tomari mountain, Tomari head is closed today. There is a warning. Yeah, so basically, I don't know if you remember, I mentioned yesterday that there are bushfires in different parts of New South Wales. So most of the major national park here in Australia, they close it due to the fire weather. As you can see, Monday 11 November until further notice. And notice due to the fire weather condition. Yeah, so close. Going up there is not allowed. It is now 12:30. We are going home now. Yeah, we are first going to buy something here in the grocery. I'm actually going to take one green beans. This is $2.80. I'm also going to take one of these. This mixed vegetable. Oh, not this one. Yeah, this one. This one is $4. Yeah, leg ham, double smoked hog, leg ham, $13. All of them are really affordable for me. Look at this. Ah, it's per kg. So like this one, this is $70.69, 5 kg. Oh, it's per kg. We are going to take a soy sauce. We're just going to take the cheap one. This is the home brand, $1.90. If you compare to the branded one like Kikoman, $8.40, the same size almost. Yeah, expensive. Yeah, soy sauce is a basic Filipino ingredients. And I'm also going to take a tissue, a napkin. Yeah, it is essential. I remember when I was working in Dubai, in our accommodation, everything is provided. Even a napkin, a tissue paper, they are provided by the company in our accommodation. Like every day, there are service that cleaning our room. Yeah, and they are putting free tissue. Okay, we are home. The time now is 1:10, almost. And I think Rafael is now moving to, yeah, look at that, because his bed is now clean. Yeah, his things is already maybe in the house of Sumudu. Sumudu is our workmate. a pastry shop, and he has one empty room, vacant room, and Rafael said he's going to move there. Look at this. These are some expensive shoes of Rafael. Compared to my one, they mostly are the cheap one. Okay. Yeah, if you notice this one, Rafael bought this, and I was looking for the old one, the previous one, and I found it in the garbage bin, and I took it again and I put here. That one. Yeah, I put it back there because, you know, these things is not mine, because it's the property of the owner of the house. Yeah, so I keep that. So maybe in the future, when Rafael is moving to his own apartment, he can take this one, and I will use that one again.